Today I'm going to be reviewing the Chamelo Music Shield sunglasses. These will be used for me running and going to the gym. I'm going to unbox them. I'll show you how they go from dark to light or light to dark on the tint. And you can listen to music on these too. The presentation, the box is pretty nice. It came well packaged. We'll open it up and see what we got. Comes with a hard case. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and see what the shades look like. I got the white shades with the red lenses because I already have a pair of black with the blue. But as you can see, let's take this off. There's speakers under here. Here's the power button here, and also this is what you use to pair it with. Let's look in here. Comes with the charging cable. And this is the bag you can store it in. If you don't use the hard case, you can use this bag. Which is pretty nice. I'll probably use this more than I will the hard case. They recommend you charge them fully before you actually start wearing them. To pair these glasses, you push the button here, you hold the button here. Once you turn it on, you'll get a red and blue light blinking. And then on your phone, you'll find the music shield. You click the music shield, and now you're paired. So now you can listen to your music. Well, these glasses fit nice on the bridge of your nose. They fit around your ears. And here's the tint where it goes. It's light right now. If I swipe it, if I swipe it forward, it goes dark. If I swipe it back, it goes light. It's a pretty nice feature. And here's a different look and a different angle of the tint. This is the light. This is the dark. This is the light. And this is the dark. Overall, I think these are a nice pair of glasses. I'll put them more to the test when I start running with these and listening to music. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, Trey Desmo signing off.